Good morning. No, good morning.
Ma'am,
Good morning, Akate. Hiya.
ma'am.
Akate, how many words did you learn? Today is your competition, right?
Yeah, my mom said the teacher will select some words from some pages. Uh, uh, from one page I learned some easy ones and some hard ones.
Hmm. So total how many?
So will you pick words like very hard, like long words?
They can. I'll be there in the competition time to be there to support you guys. I
Oh,
said I'll
thank
join.
you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Teacher, I told
Where
you
should
I
we
got
join? What
teacher,
time will
I
it
told
start
you.
in
One person at a time.
Okay, then Al Fateh can speak.
What time will it start at India time?
Fourth hour or fourth period, you have to join here.
Here.
In the
Yes.
assembly?
Not assembly, we are having competition, right?
Where
So
should
So
I
the,
join?
fourth period means I have to join here at 12:30.
wait, I'll tell you just now.
Let me check the
I'll
time.
give you your timing.
Yes, just like 30 minutes.
It
What do you
will
say?
class will
Forward.
finish at
Yes.
12.
It will start at 12:10 UAE time. 12:10 UAE
Yeah,
time, you have to join here.
my class
Okay.
starting 12 o'clock, right?
12:10, right? It starts at 12:10.
Ma'am,
Wait,
I
let me check.
I told you last time I won a third medal in the other spelling bee, but then the why I won third was because I was small, right? So like I didn't know the spelling of ladder. I was like
And
LADER, but then
my
there's two
started
D's.
140. Fourth class, my started
Ah,
9.
140. We have Indian time 140. Yes. Indian time 140.
I was
UAE time 12:10.
calendar.
So those who are there in India, you have to join at 140. Yes, Zali,
Ma'am,
I can see now. Yes.
but what if we have other
My
classes?
camera is like not
We
working.
have no other classes.
Okay.
There's only
Ma'am,
3 classes for us.
Yes.
ma'am,
You
Barira is
guys,
not. She's not on her camera because
yes,
she has.
Barira, I understood. I can see that. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, Barira?
Okay.
Ah. So all of you have to join. All of you means those who are there in the competition has to join here.
Which
Sounds good?
In
competition?
the live,
Now, yes. Spelling bee competition.
Spelling bee.
this is
Are you
live. Not
spelling
even
bee?
Hindi is there.
So first is that. Be ready. I'll be there to help you out. But don't miss the timing. Join there. Okay? Don't miss the timing.
I
Be here.
join every time.
Barira, you cannot join. You're not in spelling bee, right?
Barira, you know that?
So the spelling bee will start at in 2.5 hours.
I have like throat pain and nose block. That's it.
So if you calculate it right, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, it's 140, right? You have 4 hours and 10 minutes.
Oh, 4 hours. That's counting till
Oh,
12.
hours. Oh my god.
In 4 hours. In between, you have 20 minutes break, so you can use that break to
Look, I'm having
learn the words.
this every day,
That's
and
13 hours.
That's it. Now I have to say really something important. Okay? One was spelling that is that. Mage logo. Today is our last day for submission. Only Alfati has given. Anyone else? Give the logo. Okay, Hara, you can send me in the email so that I can give it
In
submission.
your email,
Yeah.
first let me just copy that link and just.
Okay. There is a number
I
here.
finished
Where
like
am I?
I
Yes.
did something like with my creation, imagination.
Okay, let's see. Let's see.
You want to see it?
Yes. There's one more thing before your imagination, we see your imagination. We have one more competition. The competition name, it's a big name. Okay, let me take the name. It's a big name. Okay. The
Oh,
competition name is Sports Star Reel Challenge. Sports Star Reel Challenge.
what's
It's,
that?
okay, it's a competition like this for Sports Day. You have to show if you have made, do you have made uniform guys?
White t-shirt.
not the sports. So those who don't have sports uniform, they can just use normal. Those who don't have made uniform, we have sports uniform like tracks, pants, shoes. You know sports uniform.
We will get that in threads.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Will we be able to get the sports thing in threads?
Sports uniform will be there everywhere. You can get it. So the
But
competition
then
is, listen to this one. It's to create a reel in which you show your sportsmanship, like playing around with your parents or doing simple exercise. So it's a 30-second reel. It's not a compulsory competition. If you want, you can create. After it's a competition, you'll get prizes. And
Mom,
yes,
Yesterday's the television world day thingy. I took the video, but I didn't send it. I'll tell my mom to send it. Where should we send it?
if you can
For
send it to
the
me.
sports challenge, should I do a cycle stunt or what?
It
That
will
could be nice. That would be nice.
actually.
Maybe your parents will be looking at you while you're doing it.
Can I give
I
it to
don't
your
even know how
email?
to do stunts, and I'll break my arm if I do that.
Don't break your
I
arm,
already
please.
broke my
Don't
arm
break.
one
Yes,
time.
Haya. What's your doubt?
Should we just send it to your email?
You can send it to my WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. How do I get your WhatsApp?
Every day in your group, I send attendances. So, your mama
Also,
can
in
do.
Mage Classroom, should I just send it there?
Not in the classroom. Take the PYA Assembly. The person who is putting the assembly, attendance, that's me. You can just send it to that number. Or you can send it to email. That is fine. Send it to email. Sounds good?
I
Yeah,
need to
your
write
email.
the
Yeah.
competition down in my notes.
But
What's the name?
first I'm gonna show you what I made with my
Yes.
Mage logo thingy.
What's the name of the competition?
Which one? Sports channel. You don't have to say the name of the competition.
I just want to know the name.
Whoa. So instead of putting the flowers, if you could add something related to sports, it would have been a little more like sports day, right?
Yeah. I
So
was planning to put a ball.
remove the flowers. It's a suggestion, okay? Because this looks more like a nature day.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
I almost did the same.
Yeah. So add some.
Because he looked at mine.
No,
I
I
thought
made
you can also maybe add some sports related things there.
in
And
the ball,
yes, and resend the mail. Like
and I'm
sports,
interested.
it should be sports day, right? If you want, you can do that. Now, you can stop sharing.
Ball.
Okay, sports related, maybe more many. Good morning, Aishan. Oh, you're late, Aishan.
I'm in car.
Okay, Rachel, did everyone understand the competition?
My camera will be off. Any problem?
Last time you
I'm
had
not
to
in the
turn on the
car.
camera.
I'm
Otherwise, you
in
should have informed in with the
only for
admin team,
five
right?
minutes. Only for 5 minutes.
Okay, only for 5 minutes, then it's fine. No issues. Okay. Because did you understand my other competition? Sports star remaking competition.
I drew this.
Okay. Anyone is interested in participating? It's a nice one. You just have to take it.
I'm not sure.
Me
Just
too, I
think
was
about
not
it.
that sure.
Think about it. No one is compelling, okay? First of all, understand that. It's just a competition. It's a friendly competition. And it will be fun. If it was just for a teacher, then I would have brought my friends. Or my parents live far away, that's why. They are not here with me. So any doubt regarding first thing for spelling bee you have to join here.
When's the deadline?
Deadline has been not. Let me check whether I have the deadline here with
What
me.
does the deadline mean?
Deadline
Deadline
means
is last day, November 10th.
November 10. Time
Yes,
to submit.
yes.
Why is all the competitions on November?
Because this is for sports day, right? So before sports day, this should be there. Also, whatever reel you are making may or may not be posted in your May's Instagram page. So that one thing also I need to mention. If it is really, really good and they really, really like it, that means it will be posted in the Instagram page.
Wait, I have Instagram.
You have Instagram. I'm talking about May's Instagram page, okay, not my personal Instagram. I'm not gonna post it already. You know May's Instagram page. Why Alpha is sharing a tiger, and why Lazel and Dalila are so silent today?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. What happened?
What happened, Dalila?
They're the most ones
Talk,
who like.
I don't have anything to talk, ma'am.
You're there in Hindi, right?
Do you want to see my drawing that I drew yesterday?
You're
Definitely.
the first one to speak, right?
Ma'am, do you want to see my drawing?
Yes, yes, definitely. What is that? Who is that?
Bruh, bruh.
Is that Naruto?
No,
That's
it is
not
Gojo.
Naruto. That's not
It's
Naruto.
Gojo and Sakuna.
That's
Okay.
Goku, right?
No, it is Gojo and Sakuna. They are enemy.
Well, okay. It kind of looks great. I like it. It's nice. It looks like my brother. I'll show it to you next class. This is you. Then he will throw me out of the house.
The face is not same. The face is like
It's
different.
very nice. It's very creative, Laser.
Because I saw this in YouTube and draw this.
That's
My
great.
favorite character is Gojo and my brother's favorite is Sakuna. So I draw this.
I like Kakashi and Itachi from Naruto. Itachi is my favorite one. Do you know Itachi?
Horizontally.
Do you know Itachi?
No, I don't know. Yeah, I know Tanjiro heals Naruto.
Those are like anime characters. Why do you watch those stuff?
Like
They're
they
like,
are like
Okay, people. That's it for today.
Anime
Thank you for learning math.
is
Mom is here. Bye bye. Have a good day. Ta-ta.
ma'am, one thing I forgot to tell you is I told Amina ma'am that you sound like who do you say? You sound like that. I'll show you this girl.
Yeah, she showed me some girl that day. I'm not aware of that girl. Maybe you know Abhilasha.
Okay, you have to do it like quickly because I have a
This
class.
girl,
You have a class.
this girl, this girl,
I'm next that girl, Kitty.
this one, this one.
I love that girl.
You sound like her.
Kind of, yes. But kind of.
No, because when you say bye, you sound like bye.
Okay, bye. Really, bye. I have to go. I have another class. Bye bye, people. Thank you.